Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to remove block from Snapchat. So let's dive into our video. Let us start from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Snapchat application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon which is at the top left corner of your screen. Once you are in the profile interface, you can see the gear option at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now you are on the settings of your Snapchat account. You have to scroll down and search for blocked users. Tap on blocked users. Here you can see the profile that you have blocked. In order to remove it, just click on cross icon and tap on yes. So you have successfully removed block from Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching and I will catch you in the next one.